If you've only got $500 to your name, putting it in the S&P 500 could ruin you. I followed the advice. Just buy the S&P 500 and forget about it. It always goes up. So I did. I threw my last 300 into the market. Felt like I was finally doing the smart thing. Then life happened. Car broke down, rent increased. I had no emergency fund. And guess what? The market dipped. My investment was down 20%, and I had to pull it out at a loss. Just to survive. That's when I realized, investing like the rich when you're broke isn't just risky. It's dangerous. Rich people invest money they don't need tomorrow. But broke people? We're playing with rent money, grocery money, emergency money. And when real life slaps you in the face, the stock market doesn't care. So why do we keep getting told to just buy the index? Because most advice is made for people who already have money. People who don't panic when their portfolio drops $10,000. People who can wait it out. But if you're living paycheck to paycheck, you don't need an investment strategy. You need a rescue plan. Build a 3-month emergency fund. Pay off high-interest debt. Learn income skills that multiply your 300 into 3,000. Only then should you lock money away in long-term stocks. Because stocks aren't magic, they're tools. And tools don't save people. Skills do. The day I stopped copying wealthy investors and started thinking like someone who needed freedom, not status, everything changed. I built a cash buffer, learned how to freelance, started stacking cash before I touched the stock market again. Now, I invest with confidence, not desperation. And the biggest win? I don't panic when life hits me, because I'm ready now. If you're broke, forget what the rich say. Build stability first, then build wealth. Comment real talk if you've ever felt pressured to invest before you were ready. Like if this hit home. Subscribe for more brutally honest money advice that actually fits real life. Share this with someone you love who's trying to invest too soon.